Sorry, yes, I always enjoy my work. Yeah, I mean, I
Okay.
really love what I do, and
So
I
here
think, yeah.
we are here for the live session for some time for the fans and for few questions which we are going to ask in our season 7. Every year we do these live sessions with almost 100 celebs for 100 days. So you are one of them. Fans wanted to know many answers from you.
Pleasure is all mine.
Yeah, yeah. So let's move on to the first question.
Yeah.
So Shaurya or Anokhi Ki Kahani, a new show that has been spreading the wings of love in many hearts and also the television industry. What would you like to say about it?
I just feel blessed. I feel this when I got to know about the show. You know, there are very less amount of shows which talk about equality of women, and they talk about the new era, the new generation, and their thoughts and ideologies, and why women and men should always be equal. So, ये सारी चीजें, I think this is what is the highlight of the show. It's
Okay.
based on like a college backdrop. It's never happened. I mean, it's been quite some time since you see like a college love story. So,
Yeah.
that was very interesting to see. I think that's the USP of it.
Okay. So how good was your journey in the television industry? How do you feel it?
My journey, my first stepping towards the television industry was I had done a show called Siyasat, which now is on Amazon. It used to come on a channel called Epic. So it
Mm-hmm.
was based on, it was like a limited part series. They were shooting it well, and they said that they wanted to make it like a web series or something. And web series was quite new at that time. So
Okay.
it got telecast instead. So that was a lot of fun because I was in that whole Mughal era and I was playing Salim. So it was really tough, you know,
Okay.
shooting
Okay.
in the summer season of Bikaner, Rajasthan, and
Mm-hmm.
huge cast, you know. So that was a lot of fun. Besides that, then I got my second inning with 24 with Anil Kapoor.
Mm-hmm.
That again was a limited part series. So my first was a comedy show in Sub TV, and now is this. So like a
Mm-hmm.
typical, not a typical, like I would say it's a very interesting blend of the daily soap and versus new technology that's coming.
Okay. So my next question is from Farah. We picked up this question with very last. Her question was specially requesting that when are we going to see the romance between Shaurya and Anokhi, and will Ba accept Anokhi as Shaurya's wife easily, or then are gonna create some drama?
I think she's gonna create a lot of drama, and the more
Hmm.
they get close, the more drama you'll get to see. I think that's what should be the case. You know,
क्या
it's more
साक्षी की
fun now. It's
शादी
like if you
without
don't
any
have any
problem होगी?
spice in your life,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
like having a spice in your life. Yeah, like if you only have like say ice cream all day, you'll get sick of ice cream. You know, you need to have some chicken curry as well to
Understood,
mix that.
understood.
And for
Moving
vegetarians, you
on-
figure out what you want to have.
Yeah, moving on to next question. How did you manage to spend your lockdown, and what was the most irritating thing of it?
The most irritating thing was that the essential services were not really, you know, they were all over the place. Like there was a time that, you know, I was also one of those people who was standing in line and waiting for the ration to
Okay.
come in, you know. So I mean, there's nothing wrong in that, but it's just that it was not initially. Everyone was very very scared of it. I don't think they understood what COVID is. I mean, you know, it's just like people were like scared of other people. That was very irritating, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was one thing. And how did I spend it? I was learning the guitar. I was painting. I was
Mhm.
cooking. I was helping some NGOs. I was connecting with my friends I've never connected with. I was sleeping. You know, that's one thing that I thoroughly enjoyed. We hardly
That's
get
the
time
sweet
to sleep.
part.
So I was just sleeping, you know. I mean, I was enjoying my sleep.
Okay, what is the one thing that you're obsessed of yourself and why?
What is the one thing I'm obsessed about?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm obsessed about anything, honestly. I'm very simple. Like, I don't think I have an obsession about anything that I like. But I definitely like, it's a very stupid thing. But if I have to make sense out of it, because you've asked me this question, uh, I like good food being presented well. For me,
Uh,
that
Here, same here. I like that the decorations and
because what
yeah.
happens. So what happens is that if you, for example, if you have the tastiest of meals, it could taste
Mm-hmm.
like the world. But if it is not presented and it's very shabby, and I mean, you won't feel like eating it.
Understood, understood. Same here for me. Okay,
Yeah.
moving on to next question. What was your love at first sight?
I think I've had love at first sight more with animals than anybody else. You know.
That's very good.
So
Uh,
like my first love and my love at first sight was this very cute um, terrier. What is it? I think it was a beagle, like I wanted.
okay,
So I think that was like something that I couldn't get because I travel a lot, but we just bonded a lot, and that's like one regret I have. I wanted to. I'm a dog lover, so I would love
okay,
to have a buddy with me.
okay. So you still have dogs now with you?
Like I said, I travel a lot. I'm not at one place. I'm hardly at home. It's not fair
Same.
for the dog, for my parents to take care of
Yeah,
the dog.
yeah.
That's only thing.
Okay. The most horrible fun moment of your life?
Most horrible?
Fan moment of your life?
I don't know. I can never say it's horrible, but it's not. It was not pleasing for me. I mean, the craziest thing I could say is that one of the fans actually tattooed my name on her arm, and I
Mm-hmm.
didn't know how to react to it. I mean, I
Okay.
love everybody. I try
Stop.
to respond to everybody, but getting a tattoo of my name, and what if you regret it one day? It's just going to be, you know, I mean, you won't regret it, but it's just, it's so
Yeah,
personal.
yeah,
I mean, that
yeah,
kind of love, how do you reciprocate? I mean,
yeah.
it's just, I don't know how to react to it.
Okay. So moving on to the second round. If it is the last day of your life and you have to marry someone from the same day, whom will you marry?
From the same day.
Yeah, same industry and the same day. You just have one
One
last day
second.
of
It's
your
one
life.
second. So you're trying to tell me it's the last day of my life and I'm going to think about marrying somebody? What are you talking about? Why will that ever happen?
So that's the
I
situation
would
which
do that
to
other
you.
things as well.
That's the situation. In the industry, you are with last day and your last life day, and you have to marry someone. So,
As Shaurya, I would definitely marry Anuki.
okay, smart answer.
Every day, whether it's my last day.
Okay, if you had given a situation to divide yourself into two words, what will they be?
If I have to divide my, you want me to say that two words which describe me basically.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Um, I think two words which go perfectly in sync with me is that one is persistent. I'm
Hmm.
very persistent in what I do,
Hmm.
uh, and second is I'm an extremist. So for me, it's like if I have to really like something to do it. So yeah,
Okay,
these are the two words.
okay. Imagine you become a Superman for a day. How will you spend that day?
I would really like to figure out what this. I would like to go to Krypton for sure.
You want to
You
go
know,
to Krypton for that?
yeah, yeah. First of
What
all, I
else?
would like to do that. Just to figure out what else is there which they don't show on camera. You know,
Okay.
so I would like to do that, and
Okay.
maybe I would like to try. One scene I cannot get out of the the movie. The moment that he has to reverse time and he makes the globe go in reverse.
Yeah,
It
yeah, yeah.
doesn't make sense,
Yeah.
but
Yes.
it doesn't work like that. But I would love to make the world go around according to my tunes.
Okay. Here is your rapid round. You need to pick one. Okay. Name, relationship, and games.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Name, relationship, and games.
Yeah.
Like you want me to name a relationship and a game.
Yeah.
PUBG, father, Father's Day. So let's name my dad.
Okay. Uh, Thank you. Then next is like choose one. You want to go at the same time vaccination, and second is Netflix show.
Vaccination.
Vaccinate?
I
Sure.
don't know. Yeah. Maybe both. But, maybe I'll watch Netflix and get vaccinated at the same time.
Okay. Romance at the same time or remove the dirty clothes?
I think romance at the same time. Dirty clothes can take care of itself later.
Okay. So next, then fans want to ask something for you. You can see they are so excited. They are like, Karanveer sir is always late. Why is that so?
Uh, I actually wanted to be on time, but the thing is that I was having some technical difficulties.
Okay.
That is a typical answer, the actors give. I was having a technical difficulty. Nothing. Just you're late. You're late. You can't help it. I'm
You are not
sorry.
for iconic awards as a best actor. What you would want to say about it?
I would like to thank Iconic Awards first of all, because this will be if I win it, will be
Okay.
my first award of the season, and I
Okay.
think I would be indebted to them. At the same
Mm-hmm.
time, my fans and the people who've made this beautiful, beautiful role. I've never worked so hard. I've never seen such an intense and a layered character
Yeah.
on ITV. I've
Yeah.
never seen it. I mean, I thought it would be like a cakewalk, I mean, but it's not. It's literally not. I mean, I would like to thank everybody who supported me when I was doubting myself.
Okay.
Thank
Then
you.
your fans are just to speak something to your fans. They're like, who is your favorite co-star?
Uh, who's my favorite co-star right now is Debatma Saha. She is super cool, and at the same time, not many people know this, but I'm really close to Alka Kaushal. I'm really close to who's playing Badima. I'm very close to everybody on my unit. Actually, I can't name one. Everybody is very cool and very close to me.
Okay. So before we close the live, let's take a selfie so that I'll post and tag you. Give a good pose.
You got that?
Thank you. Good session with you, and it was really amazing time with you. Hope to
Thank
see
you,
you
and
afterwards with a good trophy in your hands.
thank you,
Hopefully.
thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.